Hey guys, welcome back. So quick update here on the Bitcoin Cash versus dollar. These are the 4-hour candles, and we did have this breakout that I called yesterday, and we actually made the target very fast in less than 1 day. The target was made. So what's coming from now? If you ask me, I think we're going to be forming another continuation pattern here around the level of this target, around 930, something like that. We're going to be forming a little bit of a continuation before breaking down and making lower levels. The whole crypto market, the markets as a whole turned quite bearish because significant trend lines have been broken in the downside, so I would be expecting more downside. I'm going to be sharing signals for premium members finally, because I have been for a long time kind of waiting and kind of neutral and waiting for for something to trigger, whether it was in the upside or in the downside, and we had triggers in the downside. So I'm going to be doing this. If you remember, not long ago I made a video that was for a 30 days trading challenge. You can find this video on my website. It's free and open for anyone to watch. It's under free education, free courses, and it's the first video of my course level 2. The course level 2 is money management, and the first video is for position sizing. And it was a 30-day challenge. So I'm going to be sharing signals here. We've been waiting for a long time, and I think now finally we're going to have some trading opportunities, probably in the downside, unless things change all of a sudden. For now, actually I made the first signal video here. Is for BTC with exact stop loss, entry level, and target. So, but remember guys, it's not about how many trades you can win or how many trades you will lose. It's not only about risk reward ratio either. The risk reward ratio is important, and how many trades you win and lose, it's also important, but these two things are not the most important. The most important is how much of your account you risk in each given trade. Doesn't matter how much your risk reward is, or it doesn't matter how wide or tight your stop loss is. It's about position sizing to be profitable in the long term. So for example, even if your risk reward is really good, let's imagine you enter a trade like here. Any trade, this is only an example, but let's say you enter here, right? And this is your risk, and this is your reward. You see, your risk reward is 1 to 4, so it means if you lose 1, if you win, you win 4. So it's a very good risk reward ratio. But what happens is here you're risking 25%. So it means if you enter this with your entire account, you only need to lose 4 times in a row to get liquidated. And losing 4 times in a row is the most normal thing in trading. You can lose 4 times in a row very easily. So yes, if you win, you make a lot of money, you double your account basically. But if you lose only 4 times in a row, you're liquidated because you are risking to almost 25% here. So what's important is to know how much, what's the exact percentage of your entire account that you need to risk in each given trade, because each given trade, the risk reward will be different. How tight or wide your stop loss is will be different. So how do you do it to always risk only 1% of your entire account for each given trade? This is explained, by the way, on my free video here under free education, free courses, and course level 2. This is explained there, but I'm going to be sharing these signals, showing exactly where the entry level is, where the stop loss is, and where the profit target is, and what's the percentage of anyone's account that needs to be risked in each given trade. By the way, guys, it's a common question on the private group, on the premium group. Some people are based in the US, and I know it's difficult to short from there, but the guys that I'm not in the US personally, so I cannot advise, in this personally, but some guys in the group are sharing, ways to actually short from the US as well. So that shouldn't be a problem. And yeah, guys, I think we're gonna have some nice trading opportunities in the coming days. finally. So I'll be updating. I will always do Bitcoin Cash for free on free YouTube, but the rest it's gonna be for premium members. I'm gonna be looking at the rest of the market, Ethereum, Litecoin, and all the others. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in the coming days, and probably I will extend this 30-day challenge to 90-day challenge, because not only it'll be cool to extend this to 90 days, but also the 30-day challenge, it's recommended if you are day trading, for example, the 15-minute candles, then in 30 days you're gonna see results already. You should be profitable in only 30 days. You're gonna see results. But if you are doing longer time frames, like my signals usually are, my signals are usually for the 1-day candles, or the smallest for the 4-hour candle. So for longer time frames to see actual results, this should be extended to at least 60 or 90 days trading challenge, because you don't have trading opportunities as often as in the 15 minutes. In the 15 minutes, you get more opportunities, more often, more all the time. But for longer time frames, sometimes you gotta wait a longer period of times. I mean, we've seen this now in the weekly candles. We had to wait long time, before having good opportunities to trade. So I'll probably be extending that for 60 or 90 days. And that's what I'm going to be doing these days, guys. So, but I'm going to continue to update here on Bitcoin Cash. And yeah, as I said, I think this is going to be continuation and more downside. So let's see what happens here. Thanks for watching, guys. Good luck out there and see you soon. Bye.